Well, here's my CNC machine running, not cutting anything, just showing you how it works. Turn the router on, you can't hear anything. I don't know if you can see that moving or not. That's the Z-axis. Can't really see the Y-axis in there turning. And the X-axis motor down over there. Kind of a small cut. That's what it's cutting at right there. CNC shop. Not very much light in here. There's my controller. Got the cover off right now. Little fan. Mach 3. Loose. That's the way it's cutting. See it cutting. Ripping through about 3,000 lines of code, I think. Goes through it pretty quick. A little more of the controller. You can kind of see it moving a little bit. You might get down here and see it better. It's got a pipe clamp on there. Kind of cool though.